Advertisers today are bombarded with ad options across multiple platforms and channels. But although there are plenty of choices, getting tangible ROI and marketing impact is still complicated. Targeted campaigns and cost-efficient customer engagement strategies are also hard to come by. So, how do you drive awareness and growth for your brand? Say hello to SHAREit. SHAREit is amongst the top 10 apps in the world. It helps advertisers, big and small, to up their marketing game by driving awareness, enhancing brand reach, generating high-quality leads, increasing the consideration set, and ultimately achieving optimum conversions. SHAREit's branding solutions help generate buzz and virality in a cost-efficient and effective manner. SHAREit's performance marketing solutions help businesses acquire users at scale and turbocharge campaign results. It provides a wide range of solutions that cater to different marketing objectives. Go a step ahead and leverage SHAREit's rich insights to run cross-promotional, targeted campaigns and see an uptick in sales. SHAREit's offline advertising feature ensures that users can see the ads even when they are not online. Unlike other apps, SHAREit doesn't require an email for sign-up and provides advertisers access to a completely untapped user base. Fueled by the growth of its unmatched file sharing feature, video streaming, and gaming, SHAREit is loved by advertisers across the globe. The icing on the cake? SHAREit's top apps lets users share apps across their network, thereby creating a ripple effect and helping apps go viral. Sharing usually happens via word of mouth, leading to higher conversion rates, and is used by a diverse, multicultural active audience spread across 100+ countries and operating in 45 different languages. Get new customers, retain existing ones, and increase revenues seamlessly. For campaigns that really do work, reach out to SHAREit today.